Hi guys, in today's video I would love to show you how to make a logo preset where you can apply it to your images, or if we go in here you will see that I have my logo just as a simple brush. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to create a stamp to put and a logo to put all over these images, because this will be a digital background, and instead of going like this, which will take me forever, I decided to make a brush preset, which will be at the bottom, I think. Yeah, let's see, like that. Let's minimize it, and it will go just over the top. Cool. So what I will do, I will just put my brush to normal, then you can see what I have to do. So in order for you to make a brush, you'll have to find your logo, and I have a JPEG, or you can work with PNG. I love my PNG because it's already on the transparent background, so I don't have to do too much. So what we do first, I'm duplicating this layer because I don't want to ruin my logo. So you go image, duplicate, and you can add a name, logo, let's see, small, digital, small. And then, because you already have this, and you can go straight into creating the brush, but I just want to add a little bit more my name in there. So I will just do this. So I have done this, and then smaller ones, because this will go over the top of the image. Cool. So now, once that we created this, I'll go back into my normal brush. You go to edit and define brush preset, and that will be my logo digital small, and you press OK. Once that we have done that, if you go into an image and you go to your brushes, right at the bottom you will have your logo. So let's make it smaller, and let's make this smaller too. Brush, and you will see your brush will be already there. What I suggest you to do is to do a background, then you can make your brushes smaller. You can make a layer, that's what I wanted to say. You can make your brushes smaller, and you can reduce your opacity. So I never leave my logo to to a high opacity, because, or what you can do, you can reduce the opacity from here, and you can stamp it on, and I think that will be easier. Then I believe it's easier than having a watermark like the check, which is a good idea too, but if you want the people to know your logo, then you can do this, and you know the name. Now what you can do also, if you want to keep the colors into the same pattern or the same, let's see, I want a purple color, you could go into here, choose a purplish color, and your will be purple. Cool. So here you go, purple. Or if you don't have to worry, you don't worry. And let's go to a blue, maybe a darker blue. This one. Let's make it bigger. Oh, it's not very nice blue, but you got the gist of it. Let's go maybe this one. Here we go. That's much better. And this is how you make a logo. This is how you make your logo a stamp. So this is me. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do have group, Facebook group, where you can join and learn more. And if you wanna write a comment or any questions you have, just write them below, and I will make sure that I will make some video for you for the future. See you in the next one. Have a great day.